said you can see a water tower, and he said it's not that road. A lot of people must go down there.
I was gonna like come in like that.
Alright, yeah, like a superstar.
Like I make an announcement, because everyone sees you and they're like, oh, and then I go boom, and they're like, hey, all cheered up. Anywho,
Superstar
I've
here.
wrote in my teeth.
Just get on with it.
Hello and welcome back to our super snazzy, super sexy, super gazillionaire channel. Where are we?
Well, we're in England and it's summer and it's flipping freezing.
We've been to France and it was really hot, and we thought we'll get back, British summer, and already it's always blowing a gale and raining. It's August, there's something. It's bank holiday weekend this weekend. It's mental. I've even got my Arctic hat on, my Arctic coat on. But anyway, don't let that put us off, because we're gonna have a YouTubey weekend bank holiday.
Well, it is only Wednesday, so we have a bit to go before bank holiday, but we are just outside Harrogate on a little tiny CAMpRA at a farm called Bracken Wood, I think.
Broken wood, something that no man ever wants to talk about. What's the matter?
Nothing. It's £10 and we met Keith, the owner, showed us around and he's left us to it, and we're just in this beautiful field with gorgeous views.
Heaving it is, it's heaving.
Albeit very cloudy and windy, it looks like a gorgeous spot. So we're going to have a little look round, potter with the dog, and we'll go and have a look. Old man walking. You've got your old man pose there.
It's what you do when you retire, you walk like this.
You do it all the time.
It makes me look
Old.
distinguished.
So this is the field where we're like to park. It's obviously a bit hilly and a bit bumpy, but we've got two flat spaces here, and in winter time there's a bit of hard standing just up at the top there and also in the yard up there, so it's an all year round site with stunning views. Bit rocky last night on this hill. Just the wind, unfortunately.
Yes, you had terrible wind, didn't you?
Yeah.
Because a day or two ago she had some curry.
I don't think that's relevant. However, it's going to get even windier tonight.
Because we're having curry again.
We didn't really plan this very well, because the whole of the northwest of England is going to get hit by Storm Lillian tomorrow. Starting in the early hours of tomorrow morning.
Overnight tonight.
So it's going to be probably gusts of up to 55 miles an hour at least, and we're on the top of a hill, and Bud was not happy this morning at 40 miles an hour.
You were whinging and whining.
So we are making an executive decision. We're not going to Ripon as we'd originally planned. We're going to head north and go to another CAMpRA just north of Newcastle.
So a minor 3-hour diversion, basically. We're going to head north by about 3 hours. It just takes us on the edge of the wind, so it should be a bit more manageable.
Wherever the wind blows, I'll go. I'm not chasing it. Whatever tomorrow's gonna hold, I'll find my way in. I've been spending so much time swimming up against the tide. Wherever the wind blows, I know it's better than where I've been. Moonlight on a back road drive, the last breath of late July. Watch the days turn into nights, but none of them were ever mine.
You can see a motorhome sign there.
Take the
time realized that I can still be someone new if I try. Wherever the wind blows, I'll go. I'm not chasing it. Whatever tomorrow's gonna hold, I'll find my way.
Well, it's like a different climate here in Newcastle, YA, Morpeth, thereabouts.
More or less, yeah.
More or less. It's warmer, 19 degrees, and the wind is only little.
I don't know, it's getting enough of it, but it's not as bad as it was where we've just come
Yeah,
from.
it's going to be torrential rain overnight, and we'll get a bit of wind, but not to the same degree. We're not in the eye of the storm, so it looks like it's been a good move. Site looks good. We'll have a proper review of it after.
It does look really beautiful, and the pictures are massive. We've got bins, we've got grey black waste and fresh water, so it all looks good.
And it only took us 2 hours 10 minutes, not 3 hours, so there I go again, exaggerating on how long things take. Right, well, we dodged the bullet last night because we had a really peaceful night, and as the weather forecast predicted, about 7 o'clock this morning it started pelting it down, and then the wind picked up. Rain's gone now, wind's still here, but nowhere near as bad as if we would have been a couple of hours south.
For once, a genius move.
It was all my idea to move to
It
this
was.
exact spot.
Well, no, not this exact spot, 'cause that was my idea to come here.
I can't just have credit once.
No, half credit. So we're off now to find another CAMpRA Air just a little bit further north above Alnwick. There is an added bonus because it has an ice cream parlour, and it's got my favourite chocolate type ice cream, Turkish Delight.
Delight.
I punch in my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work and I play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all.
What did you get? Cookies and cream?
Cookies and cream.
Turkish Delight. It is gorgeous. I've never had Turkish Delight ice cream before. It's amazing. And Bud's got his own little doggy treat as well.
Believe, 'cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder. Even when my feet get tired.
Go. Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Have we had a little incident?
Yeah, because you keep not fastening bloody drawers when we set off and they fall out, and now one's permanently out.
Sorry, who broke that drawer this morning?
Not me.
Who broke the drawer this morning?
The things fell off because you don't fasten it and it falls out, and it's done that like 10 times.
So I'll ask you again, who broke the door?
You
This
broke
one?
it.
I did not. You
I didn't break
did
it
that.
by pressing the button.
Yes, you
broke
did.
it by not closing it and it falling out 10 times.
We know who we believe.
Why have you sat in front of me?
Because you can move your head there.
Oh, right, this is well comfy.
So this has been our third CAMpRA Air for this little trip, and it's been a nice one.
They've all been nice, haven't they? They just are what they are. They're just somewhere to park up, mixed facilities. This has got bins, which is really important, and it's got fresh water. The last one had Elson as well, so it's just a mixed bag.
But we've had three really lovely ones. We've had one on the top of a hill with beautiful views, the second one by a lake with swans and cygnets, and this one with ice cream. And near a beach. So
even dog ice cream.
Even these loved it. So yeah, definitely really glad that CAMpRA are supporting these airs and getting them up off the ground, because they're really good for us travellers.
So whilst this is the end of this little mini CAMpRA trip, stick around because we've got a little bit of footage of some other CAMpRA sites if you wanted to expand your horizons.
It turns out we've been to two others that we didn't know were CAMpRA airs, and you'll have seen one of them on the Rins in the last vlog anyway. So that's 6 we've been to in total.
Yeah. The difficult thing I've got with the whole CAMpRA thing is knowing about them. So there's been a lot of online stuff about use them or lose them and people not knowing where they are, and that's because the only place you can find them is search for sites, and I don't use search for sites, and I won't use search for sites. I'm not against it, it's just we use Park for Night. So the few that we've been to, we've accidentally come across, and it's difficult to go to the CAMpRA website and find much details, like a comprehensive list of what they are and where they are. So we're not going to maximise all that's available because we don't use search for sites.
However, there is a CAMpRA Rally Group Facebook page, and a lovely gentleman called Paul Simpson has created maps off search for sites as to where they all are in Wales, Scotland and England. So that's really useful, and we've been using that to help guide our trips. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We are going to try some more CAMpRA airs wherever we find them, and we'll continue to explore the UK whilst we're doing our Schengen shuffle time.
As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for helping us become YouTube gazillionaires and YouTube famous. You got YouTube recognised, didn't you, this week?
I did.
In a right rock and roll place, like, what were it, Harrods in London?
No,
where were it?
It was TK Maxx in Workington. So hello to the lady that said hello. I didn't get your name.
Rock and roll.
But we're now on 2,700 subscribers, so thank you so much for supporting our little channel, and we really appreciate it.
And supporting my pocket being ever bulging. That didn't really come out how I wanted it to.
No, it never does.
To my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work in the play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog, 'cause every time the push comes to shove,